Former Congress MLAs of East Shillong and West Shillong, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh and Mohendro Rapsang, had tendered their resignation as legislators of the party. Both MLAs had submitted their resignation to the Commissioner and Secretary of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. Andrew Simons, at his chamber on the 19th of December 2022. Speaking to newspersons, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh informed that her decision to quit as Congress legislator has come after thorough discussion with her supporters. While responding to a query on her decision to join the National People's Party, NPP, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh responded by saying that it is the only national party that has been founded in the state of Meghalaya, and therefore it is but befitting to associate herself with such a party that thinks for the welfare and well-being of the people of the state.
Will the government take to mitigate the potential of
So, me also, I came to submit my resignation letter as MLA to Mohendro. I hope that this letter will be submitted to the Speaker of the House.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Mohendro.
Thank you.
We'll be together for
Yes,
more.
and I look forward to all my best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kamday ka basuk ban suong ngila resign kun ki MLA kani kala one or long hadin ka jingya selok kabajili ubat kinong snong haki constituencies jungi iway kamday ka jing rai ka basuk ka ba mano la man suai balay ba ngirai bangi hap ban resign shwa kamlong kababyang kalenti banyad yaki nong yalam kibala syajid kum ki MLA ban shui sendet yala ki jong ki party bat ban lek rung na din jingkhang ba syaki party ki baipan ngi kwa banyad da kalenti ka bakhoj kalenti ka baben ki pat ba jong ngi ki lajid ngi kum ki congress MLAs balay pin top ki pat ba resign no but let no nakabukod siya kaway pat kaseng nilaray ban let siya kaseng NPP ngaw to kinbuon gibasyong syabar ka constituency jungi gibalong balay village siya NPP kajubab jungi yapi kibadon kata kajing ngaw kolong to ngaw bha nginya telino ngaw bha penteli ya kani ka ribat ka jaj penriu jungi kat balai habang iya parya tukra da kabang iya lek sikiseng gi baper arajar arpulai pinsayo ya ka sarkar ka batlot hakabahab ya senrop lang sibon ki parti ngamdan kambangan da batay than ni phigi nong snong ju kizila phi kam stan ki baningi balengi kwa lek NPP deitang ke NPP te ka parti ka badai jong kani ka jilla kibai gidi ki parti nong wai sudah ngangas ngo bang yimdon kambanya selong at least mga try balang in sakren na ya lek selok ya taba syu sya kita ki parti ki pasyabar ka jela ka jungi na marngi ladon ka kongres kata nripet ha ka pod ka kongres ka prapum sya ay kita kinong yalam nang tanang ki jaka ki bakisyong headquarters maki kim salia ya ka ay ka baja ha ki constituency jungi kim kit kli lem ya ka ay ka baja yang isimet kum kinong yalam ki jingyai lenti ka jongi ha ki sans nem ki baladep kalalong sisya ka bajruwit ka bajruat